Yes, my peep, Safari Boss here. Yeah, man. As you see me, I walk on the road. This is the second half of the last video we drop. So we are going to roast and consume with two little fish. So catch you up on the road. Yeah, man. So, little fish catch. So we are catch up on fire and roast two of them. Use a couple of sticks, you know. Then feel kind of wet. Now wet, man. Kind of wet, but then can use as long as fire catch them. And we jail it back. You know what type of wood they make.
One safari, you know. You could catch her, you know. You know, big boy, I'm gonna make a roast still, you know. Yeah, man. Don't know. You can name sunfish, you know. Yeah, better than still. So you still have to give thanks, because we ain't gonna with none.
What do you let me see how going there? I didn't get out.
You know, that big still and then that small, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
I ain't put nothing out there, no.
Put up none at all, so.
Mm-hmm.
Don't know.
When I see fire them people, God know me strike out every tick out time match his box.
Can I light up
And then nah light. But I go try do a thing, you know, where I go roast a couple of fish. You know, it's a Safari Boss. Make a good catch. We go catch and cook. You know, that is it.
I leave it right away now, but just do a little thing here. There's a little Maggie in them and take it away. The plan to this. Next time we carry a wild paper.
Mm-hmm.
Right thing.
They look good already. They look good already and they not done.
Oh, why themselves?
Mm-hmm. You know they wanna look like bulla fish. Mm-hmm. They take long to catch them, no? They take long to catch them. Yeah, man. Put some Maggie season up in them belly, my peeps. You know, see a five of them. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Eh. The phone is full, you know? The phone full up. Of course you can clear. That is it, my peeps. Fish they look nice.
I look bad. Yeah, everybody come
For 1-on-1. Oh. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's what, bro. Nothing wrong with that.
A tree me give. Yes, a boy can't count. A tree paper me give.
Be a tough chatty Maggie over there.
Yeah, that be no way. You can't tell me. A tree paper me give. That tree they not a well bad.
Ruby in my belly. I like his spice still. I like his spice.
Spice on
Like it when I try jar with blood feet.
Looking at it.
Push a try jar when I fish them. Watch him. Take with yourself. Go down to pussies. Rasta man down so name pussies people.
Oh, easy.
Yeah. That is it. Yeah, man. Yes, people are this way I drink with the fish then. Yeah, man. We are drink one coin shade, because we not drink tang. Coin shade this. Isn't it? Yeah, man. So you can write them here too. 2 cream crackers.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh, some stone thing.
Yeah, man. The fire boss have tough crackers to feed still, but we have the soft version. You know, isn't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, what? In 2 scotch here. Yeah, you rub in your belly. Yeah, man, spicy up the thing, isn't it? So you can't do spice. Scotch in it, you know? Yeah, man. See there? See that going on?
I'm saying about it. I'm just weird. You love hers, man. I want to think of like his spirit, you know.
Yeah, man.
That man about movement spirit.
You say I call him, man, say wait. I'm going to shot the video, sir. See there? Cook well soft, roast well soft, look there. Japa. Well, like, man. Why they make me take it fast, man? Real fast. I'm not going to tell me, I tell you in a party of it.
Beautiful.
You know one want food. You don't want little food for them too. See it there, that's enough deep.
Brand new dish, you know?
Yeah, man, so you know we alone there. Yeah, the security there, we have to give him a little piece of the food too, you know? So, yes, sir. Yeah, so a little dirty pussy in there. Excuse me, the cats are here also feasting also. Yeah, man, so one up on the veranda. Yeah, man, safari bar, safari with back. Huh?
Yeah. Eat some. You have some dip as you make, you know.
Yeah, man, you should have one sauce, you just dip them in it.
Yeah. So,
and people now watch nothing, you know, so on tour video come towards you, you know, so watch nothing that soon take care of. You know, say tour them a go out the bookings. You still can make bookings and safari boss are putting out on the tour, you see me?
Here we have a little juice. I don't know, we have a fish. Right over here. Yeah, man, I eat that, the peeps.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Pepper little vibes, man, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I know that. No, no, baby, them.
So you're going to bush cooking.
Yeah, man.
In a nature peeps.
Yes, cooking,
Mm-hmm. That is it. Yes, my peeps, man. Go feast, you know. Go feast, man. I'm hungry right now, so catch you after me done eat, you know. Consume. Wipe on the eating business.
Eat nothing.
Mm-mm.
Yes, man. And I might enjoy a meal indeed. Man.
Cameraman, you
Yeah,
know.
man.
Safari boss.
Which way you going with that youth? Wow. I eat fish and crackers.
Ah, woman. No, man leave. Woman leave.
Eh? Okay. Not wrong one, that's what you said, you know. Good.
Yeah. Keeps you just don't consume it on. See that part, they still but it. Don't know where you're going up.
Yeah.
Go up on the road, you know. You're safari boss.
Take care of some other business, you know.
Yeah, man. So,
I put some other thing.
so we are going to look how the hurricane deal with the road, you understand? But I treat them a jack down in the road. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So Milk River Safari out there. Remember, so we go up on TikTok, go on Instagram, go on Facebook, same TikTok, same Milk River Safari. You see me? So, yeah man, we are making way go.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Yourself down a lonely road. I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends, tell them adios. When you known them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, yeah, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up on the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going. Cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation, we gon' make it through. I'm a fighter, not a quitter. They can say that I'm a sinner cause they love to hate the winner, but I'm never gonna be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight.